Okay, had to go to get a different line made. The one I had made at the tractor store had the wrong fitting. That's what caused the leak. So I would suggest, I didn't know this prior to this, but if you have to have a line made, a hydraulic line, you can go to a parts store, you can go to a hydraulic shop, someone that does it, so they'll know exactly what you need, so you don't go through the trouble that I went through getting the wrong fitting. I'm not blaming anybody. I'm just saying, go where they know exactly what you're doing, what they're doing. And we're gonna put this line on now, see how it works. I'm out.
All right. Let's see.
There we go.
You don't need this.
Hey, it's not raining under here.
Hang on. Right there. Yep. And however down. And take the tape off. And make sure you get no dirt. That's back side here, you gotta tab it. Okay. Make sure that top one doesn't have any.
Boy, it's low. Are you getting all this, Mom, documented?
Mm-hmm.
Did I mention that I'm not a mechanic?
You're a shade tree mechanic. Is that what you call it?
I'm not feeling the shade right now.
I'm sure there's a term for mechanicking just to stay in business, to keep going. Shade tree?
Probably.
Subsistence mechanic. I don't even know. Done.
I know what you're trying to say. Gotta get her tightened up. Gotta get a crescent wrench on that other side when I get her tight.
Here's the big crescent. I don't know which one you need.
Probably the big one. Okay, I want to suggest that anytime you do tractor mechanic work, you do it in a light drizzle of rain because you chose to go golfing the day before when it should have been done when it's bright and shiny and pretty. No, you hold off. Hold off. Be strong. Wait till it rains. Okay, and it's cold too. Wait for the drizzle, slow, cold rain. And then now zoom to my belly. Check that out. Belly in the rain. True mechanic stuff. I love you. I think it's tight enough. One more. It's got to be tight enough.
You know you hadn't won yet, right?
What? Oh, I won. Yes, I won. It's a win. Okay, I want to touch on this one more time. If you're doing mechanic work and it seems to go on for a couple of days, it's not abnormal if you're not a mechanic, okay? But what you need to try to do, in my case yesterday, 65, 70 degrees and pretty. I chose to go golfing so I could get the mechanic in this light rain and 45. So much more conducive to your mental state of well-being to be in this drizzle of rain doing some mechanic work in the dirt, because I can't carry it in my shop because it had a leaking hydraulic line and it would run everywhere to get it to my shop. So just keep in mind, if you have the opportunity, always skip the sunny day. Go for the rainy day, cold, and it makes you mentally stronger. I'm out. We're about to put some fluid in it after putting the new line on it. Make sure it's topped off, and we're gonna crank it up.
I'm going.
Okay, here's another real big upside to waiting on the rain. Your seat's all wet. So always remember, wait on the rain. Oh, nothing like wet butt.
Hold it.
Ready?
Had some fluid.
In the curve.
We're almost out of the sight window now.
Blow out a seal. That's my preference. That's always been my preference.
This hand tighten on this deal? It was plastic.
Yeah.
Okay, after a week-long saga of getting the right parts, I did decide to finish up in the rains. I've already told you, and it was the perfect decision because it allowed me to experience a little bit of discomfort. And I always like to mix. I like to mix discomfort in with my mechanicism. Mechanicking. I like to mix discomfort with my mechanicking. It's like if I'm working on a car, if I can early in the project, I like to knock one of my knuckles off, so it'll be bleeding and it gets some grease in there. That's the discomfort I'm talking about. But this rain is doing that. This rain is adding that, and I didn't have to bust one of my knuckles, so that's a win. But so we're done. It's raining, so I thought about doing some dirt work, but I'm not going to now. I'm going to take my tractor, put it in the shed, the garage tractor shed, and I'm going to make some content today. I'm out.